What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I've been uploading videos. I apologize for that. Obviously, I've been super busy. I told you guys I moved, so I'm dealing with that. The car also had the engine lights. I think I told you guys I had the O2 sensor still, so I got the defoulerers put in last week. We tuned it. The engine light came on a couple of days later, so I was back there yesterday to get an oil change, and they threw a new tune in there. So the lights are off right now, but it's also only been a day, so we're gonna have to give it a couple of days, throw some mileage on it, and see what happens. So that's why I have a free day today. I figured it'd be a perfect opportunity to just do a day drive POV of the Cam Jeep SRT. That way you guys can hear it, and that way you guys can check out, you know, Long Island. I mean, I don't know if you guys are from out here or you guys live in New York. I mean, some of you I know don't, but you know, we'll just take it on the highway. We'll do some pulls. I was gonna try to do this 0 to 60, but in New York right now, it's actually pretty warm. So it's like, what, middle of October, it's like, I don't know, it's like 75 degrees out today, and it hasn't really been getting cool, like that cool at night. So I'm kind of waiting for like around 50 degrees, and then I'll definitely go out there again and try to do my 0 to 60 time, because I know I can beat it. I've read the comments, you know, I saw what other people posted. I'm almost positive I can beat the 4.5. Plus, I think I was kind of doing it wrong. So like I said, it was my second time doing it. So, you know, it is what it is. Maybe user error also. But it's only gonna get better and better the more I get used to it. It is what it is. But so I have the engine lights off, so I can't hit you guys with it's not gonna be a cold start, because obviously I drove it already, since I'm, you know, somewhere else, not at my house obviously. But I'll do the remote start, that way you guys can hear it start up, throw the GoPro on my head, and then we'll hit the POV. So keys in hand right there, start it up. Alright, so as you guys can see, it says remote start activate, push the button. So my remote start is now working. We have no engine lights. As you guys can see, I changed my cluster a little bit. So I'm averaging 9 miles per gallon now. I think stock SRT was like around 11, 12, I think I was getting. And now with the big cam and everything, it's 9 miles per gallon, which blows. And you guys can see how hot it is. It's 73 degrees out today. So I'm gonna throw the GoPro on my head now, and then yeah, we'll just go for a drive. Throw it in sport real quick. Man, ever since it got tuned, the shift points, it's like night and day compared to how it was stock. So that's the famous pencil over there. If you come to Jones Beach, you guys know where that is. my engine light.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
So if you're thinking about modding your Jeep SRT in any way and you get a tune done, I mean, you're gonna have to live with engine lights. It's gonna happen. Is it annoying? Yes. It's a lot of like back and forth until you figure out, you know, the right combination of the tune and stuff like that. So obviously you guys saw when I started the drive, I had no engine light. Now, unfortunately, I have one, and basically it's the same codes I had, except this one's new. This P2271 O2 sensor, left bank, downstream rich. So I guess whatever they tried didn't work out. And then I still have the same two normal codes, P219A, P219B. So it sucks. The car should be fine, but that's just how it is, man. Once you start messing with these cars. Oh shit, I'm averaging 9.2. Woo! .2 gallons, baby. I don't really know where I'm going. I'm just kind of driving. Road is bumpy as fuck. Holy shit. Whoa, holy crap. Wow. I'm kind of curious to see something. If I put it all the way up. Oh my god. Holy shit. Wow, I see that truck bouncing over there too. Oh my god. Feels like you're on like a fucking roller coaster. Alright, so I'm gonna bump it up to high. Let's see what happens. So I just press my airlift controller. So basically it puts it back to stock height. Wow, it's actually pretty good. I mean, it's still bumpy, but you don't feel it as much as when I was on my driving, like my normal driving stance. It's still bumpy as hell though, man. Who designed this road? I'm gonna keep the high preset on my airlift system for now, because we're about to hit those bumpy roads again. Actually, you know what? Leave me a comment below. When I do my 0 to 60, I'm actually curious. Is it better to be in a lower stance, like my regular ride height, or should I actually be higher up? I don't know if it makes a difference or not. I mean, it's actually a pretty good question. I don't know. But if you know, definitely leave a comment below and let me know. That way for next time I'm prepared. Oh man, driving into the sun. Is annoying. So, as you guys can hear, the car's a beast, but we're definitely going to talk about the Whipple soon. So I'm hoping, really hoping, that early next year I can purchase one. That's the game plan right now. And see what this thing could do, man. I really, really want to see what it could do with the Whipple. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for this video. Unfortunately, you guys saw my engine light come back on. It is what it is. We're going to figure it out eventually. I mean, it's not a big deal. As long as the car's running fine, it's working, that's all I really care about. Obviously, you know, I don't want to be driving around with the engine light. But it is what it is. Like I said, we're just going to take it back to the tuner. Hopefully, you know, we'll have to tweak some things again. And hopefully, eventually, it'll permanently be off. But once I keep modding this thing and the Whipple comes along, it's inevitable. It's going to happen. These cars, once you start modding them, it's like, you know, every little thing is just like, you know, it needs to be absolutely perfect. And like, as you know, nothing is perfect. So unfortunately, that's just the way it is. But I just want to say thank you for watching this video. Like I said, I have a lot more content coming. It's just I need to find the time to do it. But I'm definitely going to keep putting out videos. If it's at least once a week, it's going to be once a week, but I'm definitely going to be putting out videos. So definitely hit that subscribe button if you're new here, and hit that little bell at the bottom. That way you guys know when I post a video out. And if you guys do like this video, definitely hit that thumbs up. I would really greatly appreciate it. And definitely catch you guys on the next one. Peace.